Hello, welcome to my channel. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can even skip the whole video, but I count you like and comment it.